Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your Xbox Series X if you do not have the controller. So you can do this directly from the Xbox Series X itself by simply pressing the Xbox button right here. So if you press this once, it's going to enter into like the sleep mode. And it's going to blink twice and then eventually turn off here. So if you actually want to completely 100% turn this off and not place it into the sleep mode, what you want to do is hold down this button. So I can see it's turned on. I'm going to hold this down and I'm going to see it's blinking once and then it's blinking twice and then it should be completely turned off now. So let's turn this on by pressing the button. And my Xbox is turning on and it's booting through the different screens. So now I'm going to press the Xbox button once and then put it in the sleep mode and see what happens when I turn it on. So let's turn it on by pressing the Xbox button and we shouldn't see the logo at all. It should just boot to the home screen right here. So you can easily turn it off by holding down the button, or you can put it into the sleep mode by pressing it once. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.